This is Ron Herman with Woodworking with Ron. We got a 2-minute little mindset here we want to talk about the sharpening world. So there's been a lot of talk about precision, and you have to take it with a bit of a grain of salt here. On one end we have an engineer's piece of granite here that is guaranteed to be super flat. We've got a piece of wet dry sandpaper glued to it, but there's about $50 wrapped up into this. We've got a piece of black quartz that came out of a sink cut out of a countertop. It's got 3 pieces of wet dry sandpaper of different grit to it. And so we got a total investment here of about $1.80. We've got a piece of what we call melamine shelving that we paid. A 4-foot piece cost us about $8. We were able to get 2 jigs out of it. And on this one piece here, what this is it's a Formica style high pressure laminate glued to a man-made particle board core, and it's actually pretty flat. We've got 4 pieces of the wet dry sandpaper glued to it, and we've got as good if not better results than we've got off of that piece of granite because we had a larger area to work on. For those who want to get a little bit higher up, we took the other part of this piece of melamine and we've got about $300 wrapped up into diamond plate on here, set up like we have in the sandpaper. So we can go from about $50 to about $1.50 to about $10 in here. And then for you guys that want to get into the diamond plate, not worry about changing sandpaper, you're going to be about the $3.50 depending on where you go and the taxes on it and stuff. So that gives you a real quick comparison. Now if you go to 360 Woodworking, behind the membership wall there is a 45-minute video on how we use these, how we set these up, and give you some clue about how to start yourself out.